How to update profile info in Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to update your profile informations on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your account option at the bottom, just right here, select it. Now here you can find your profile right here. Now to update your profile informations, tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here, select it. Now from here you can find edit account, just right here, select it. Now from here you can simply update your profile informations. Tap onto your personal informations right here. Now from here you can simply change your name, phone number, email, and also you can update your device language. And that's it. This is how you can update profile info in Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.